guys, so here we are. This is a rat flap, a non-return valve, rat barrier. It allows rats to come out of your sewer system. So imagine this is an inspection chamber and these pipes lead off to various parts into your property. So if we had a break somewhere along the line here, we'd want to know where the water's flowing out, in this case flowing out. And if there was a break up here, say, or some of this was broken, then a good place to put this rat flap in would be in here. So now the water flow is where it's flowing that way, where the sewage is coming out, or the water here, waste. So you want the rats to also come out of there, see, that way. So the water's going to flow this way. If you get these, there will be arrows on them, but they flow that way. And fitting it, you'd get it down into this. Now this is a 4-inch, and down is about 100 millimeters on this one. And we would get this in, goes down inside, twists in, slots in, and as you can see in there, so the water would flow through there. The rat goes through there, the rat can't get back in. So this is your inspection chamber down inside there. Now a lot of these rat barriers, rat flaps, non-return valves, you'll have a wire that attaches to in here. Obviously put some gloves on, but this is all clean at the moment, so we don't need to. And depending on what sewer inspection chamber you have, whether it's concrete coming up or plastic, then you have some fitting attachments to fit into the different sewer chambers where you're putting your rat flap. This wire in here comes out, it attaches here, so you thread through there. You can have some attachments here to hold it. Let's take the gloves there. With some attachments there, you hold it there, attach it to your inside there, and secure it. You can vary the length by cutting it. And therefore, when the water then flows out and sewerage down the pipe, the rats will go through, the waste will go through, and then that there. If you need to adjust it, if it's quite loose, then you can just open it slightly until it adjusts and fits in nice and snug. And there you have it, the water flows out, it flaps through. Test it as well, go in the house, flush some toilet inside out, make sure that that's there. When you're attaching the rat flap, generally you want it with the last outflow pipe from your property, so work that out. And you can always ask us questions anyway of ways that you can work that out, so there's no problem. But that's the principle behind a rat flap going in. And you've probably seen a lot of my other videos solve problems by using this.